Hi, I'm Peter Haddock and I'm here on site with Countryside with an award-winning project manager, Anthony Stone, no less. You've got the new safety shield on site here with this Ardent hired JCB telehandler. What's been the impression when you brought this sort of technology into the team, and how has it helped you sort of change those behaviours on site?
Well, we're bringing new things in. Everyone's gaining more knowledge about health and safety. They're gaining more knowledge of what we're doing and what we're trying to do and what we're trying to bring into the business. And I think from a sort of labour point of view, the more we do and the more we try to implement the changes, the more that they're willing to do it, and the safer they feel coming to work and the safer they feel carrying out their jobs and having faith in us to complete the task for them and make it a safe industry.
And I think that's really impactful when you've got somebody talking to the team like that. And Naz, who I've spoken to earlier on this particular telehandler, he operates this machine. Naz, you know, you've operated for quite some time on site, and you know, house building's a really busy site here. It's a really confined space, isn't it?
Oh yes.
So there's a lot of pressure on you to do your day-to-day tasks.
There is, yeah.
You've been using Safety Shield now for some time, and you know, as we talked earlier, you said to me that one of the critical things is you're able to concentrate more on actually doing the job.
That is correct. It does help me a lot now to actually visualise that there's going to be people here around me for me to operate the machine carefully and safely. Like you said, eye on the task.
How easy is it to get used to on a daily basis?
It's just like breathing and walking. You get used to it. It's really good. Because you know for a fact it's for your safety and for others on site.
Now as people know the system's there, I guess you've been able to talk to them about it as well, have you?
Oh yes. We've told them that the cameras have been installed for your safety as well as ours. And everyone's quite happy with the system being put in, knowing that it's for our safety on site while we work on Countryside.
And it's wonderful to see that you're happy and everybody else on the site feels a little safer, isn't it?
No, I am, yeah, thank you very much, yes.
He really feels a lot more part of the team as well and included in the safety conversation because, you know, you've done extra training on how the system works, and that's made people aware even further about the dangers of coming too close to a big machine like that.
Oh, 100%. We do toolbox talks weekly. We obviously have morning briefings with all the subcontractors. So every day we're having meetings, conversations, open discussions about how we can better the health and safety, what plant movement we're going through, what walkways we're going. And obviously, like I say, Naz and the other forklift driver we have on site have got a great open line of communication with the subcontractors on site, which just makes for a much better working environment. And the fact that we obviously use this system within our forklifts is branching out to our subcontractors to better their safety within their own machinery. So it's making them look at the bigger picture as well, making them go forward and want to do better.
That's how you become an award-winning project manager, folks. But you're an award-winning project manager also backed by a company that is the first to do this in the house building sector. It's the first to really mandate these type of technology. Also the first to really display how impactful it is. And that really does lead on to people changing behaviours across the industry, across your supply chain. And ultimately, we're all getting safer, isn't it?
100%. We all come to work hard, and we all like to go home and enjoy ourselves at the end of the day.
Fantastic. Look, it's great to meet you. I know you are an award winner because you get this site moving on. I've taken him away from the job, folks, so it's better get back to it, haven't you?
Someone should, yeah. Thank you.
Cheers.
Cheers, buddy.